noma uzothatha bese ushiya futhi omunye 200 rand lapho futhi uzokuqhubeka nonto zakho wena ngalokho ubufisa ngakho manje yilento lithi kune ezinye izinto futhi sizoyichaza ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngoba nalabo abahamba ngemoto sinephilisi labo iphilisi lelabo leli lokuthi imoto ikwazi ukuthi ihambe amakhilomitha amaningi ingalimazi inji kwenza lokho bese kuba nendlela izindlu bakwethu angazi nami kungasenge ngigugele manje angazi ufisa ngathi ngaphindele emva nge-17 years uzame ukwazi ukuthi kube kuhle phambili manje hayi yebo mphindile izindlu kunehlelo futhi lezindlu kunehlelo futhi ley'moto manje njengoba sifanele insizwa
Fresh on parole and my bankroll low. I know I shouldn't roll, but I'm still gon' go. Give me 6 shells and a 4-4 mag. I need a rental, and you can get some Ziploc bags. Get the keys to the crib in the A-town. I ran it hot in the Ville, I gotta lay down. We don't pay for jewelry, we just jack the jeweler. So no, I didn't pay for this fucking Frank Mueller. Matter of fact, most rappers is broke. Got a platinum plaque and still trafficking coke. The royalty checks, they don't come too quick. So fuck getting a deal, nigga, go and get a brick. I'ma fade to black just like Jay-Z. After I make the whole rap gang pay me. So hold on, it's about to get crazy.
Siyabonga MMM ukusiza abantu eSouth Africa umhlaba wonke njengoba silana namhla. Sibonga wena uTata Mandela kanye no Mr Mabrodi ngoba lihlangene. Ngalokho sithi sanibonga nonke. Thank you very much, Mr. Mavrodi, to come and help the people in South Africa. Thank you very much. Spasiba Mavrodi.
These industry niggas ain't who they say they are. Gold ain't good enough, nigga, give it up. You broke after your manager get his cut. I be shining on these rap niggas, dope man money. Fuck a credit card, I got 100 grand on me, nigga. What you wanna bet then? Put up your ice. Your album ain't selling, nigga. Go shoot the dice.